All right, folks. So this is a really cool one. I don't even know where to start. This is the kind of experience you get working with clients in possibly a remote area or an office who aren't technical, and you ask them to do something, and they do things you would never, ever, ever expect people to do. So, for example, send this router out with a diagram explaining that the internet connection has to go on the last port, port number 9. So I sent a diagram saying, please connect your internet to port 9, the last port on the right-hand side. So it's the right-hand side. It's the last port. What could possibly go wrong? So here we go. The person gets it, plugs it in, says that the internet's not working. So they called me up, and I was like, wow, I wonder what's going wrong. Did I mess up? After, I don't know, 10 minutes on the phone, I said, please send a photo of what you're doing and where you're plugging it in, just to make sure it's the router and they're not plugging into a switch or something. Because every time they said I disconnected and reconnected the internet, my management station wasn't showing anything. And I was like, that's not right. So what they were doing was they pulled this plug out, this plug from the good old SFP. And I didn't know this, but the RJ45 actually fits in there. So that's what they were doing. They were plugging the RJ45 in there. And they said, yeah, it's kind of loose. And I go, what do you mean it's loose? It's going to click. They're like, no, I got it in there. It's not clicking. So after I saw the photo of this, I'm like, oh my gosh, I would have never thought of that in a million years. So I told them, please put that rubber plug back in. I just hope they didn't damage anything in there. Not like we're going to be using it anytime soon anyways. I'll put that in some other time. And then I heard this magical sound. I heard this. And the light came on, and then all of a sudden I saw the management. So there you go. So whenever you send people any kind of equipment, even as I said, I sent a diagram with instructions. You figured it was foolproof. People surprise you every single day. There you go, folks. Have a good day. Bye for now.